What's up, everybody? And it's your boy Devrell Davis again with another unboxing video. And today we're unboxing. I'm probably one of the first YouTubers in the U.S. to unbox it. Most of the times I've been researching this phone, and a lot of international, Philippine, Indonesian, or Korean YouTubers and Indian YouTubers are doing videos on this phone. I haven't really seen an American do a video on this phone, but because this is not a phone that's sold in the US, this is something that you have to purchase either online. I purchased this on Amazon, got it in today. Today's my birthday, July 22nd, 2019, and I got it for my birthday, and happy birthday to me. So we're going to be doing an unboxing video on the A20, Samsung, one of Samsung's, I want to say mid-range phones. It's not the S series, this is the A series. They had the they had the 10, the 20, the 30, 40, all the way up to, like, I think they're at 70 now, A70 or A80. Those are the higher ends, of course. The higher the number, the higher the product. So this is more of a mid-range phone. Priced it, got it for around $150, $159. Altogether after taxes in the 170 range. Not bad for a Samsung phone. It's not the J series. Probably a little bit better than J series from what I understand from all the research I've done. But I'm going to unbox the phone, and this is going to be my first experience with the phone. Keep in mind, if you're going to use this phone in the U.S., this is a GSM phone. So meaning, U.S. carriers are only going to be AT&T and T-Mobile. If you're a Verizon user, don't expect to use this phone. Any other brand, any other phone service besides T-Mobile and AT&T will not be able to use this phone. This is a lock international phone, GSM compatible only. Okay, so as you see, it comes in a small case, small box, not too big. It's roughly around the size of what the phone would be. So let's go through a few specs first before we even get in depth, and let you know what this phone is about. Okay, so as far as the size, is 6.4 inches. This is a 4G LTE quad band dual SIM, so you could use this internationally with 2 different SIM cards in it at the same time. A little bit more about the phone. It's a 123 ultra wide lens. Ready action immerse. Enhance your viewing experience with next gen Super AMOLED 16.2 centimeters, which is 6.4 phone HD plus Infinity V display. Which has that little widow's peak, the little widow's peak at the top, and with the camera in it. Ready action go. Quickly power up your phone for the day with the 15W fast charging capability. So this is going to be a C-port phone. It's going to be fast charging. You'll be able to get a good battery use for this as your daily driver. It's a 4,000 milliamp battery, so you're going to get a lot of power from this phone, a lot of energy. You're able to use this phone for a long period of time throughout the day. Ready action speed, play games, stream videos, multitask with ease, blah, 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 blah. But from what I understand, and I didn't get to use the phone yet, obviously it's an unboxing, but when I get to use the phone, I'm going to do a review video. A lot of review videos I've seen said that it's hard to multitask on it, it's hard to play the games and do other things in it as the phone starts to lag and doesn't keep up with the challenges of a more flagship phone. So keep in mind, this is not a flagship. This is only is more of a lower end. So we're gonna go more into the specs, more in depth. This is 32 gigs of memory, 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigabytes of memory. It's expandable memory, so you could put up to I think a 1 terabyte card in here. What else? Blah blah blah. The camera is 13 megapixels in the back, 5 in the front, dual rear. Excuse me. Let me rephrase that. It's 8 megapixels in the front, 13 and 5 because it's dual rear cameras in the back. So that's not bad at all. What else we need to know about the phone? I'm gonna do a video also on the camera, and as far as the visual on the phone, the screen itself is a Super AMOLED, so I'm expecting this to be Samsung almost flagship quality display on the phone. Now I had the S10, S8, sorry. That was the last Samsung I had. I had the S8, the regular S8. Great, probably the best screen I had on the phone. Nice clarity, very beautiful. So we're gonna go ahead and get to this unboxing. As you see, it comes in a small case, and you're able to slide it out. Once you slide it out, Samsung logo right here in the front. Let's throw this over here. So you take it out. It's the box right here. The little box probably has the instructions in it, which the quick guide, which nobody ever uses. Another quick guide, warranty card, and that's about it. This is the phone itself. This is the size. Now I have huge hands. This is a 6.4, so let's see how this fits in the hand. Now weight-wise, this is pretty premium feeling, and it comes in a nice sliding case. So we're gonna put this down right here real quick. What else is in the box? So this is that this is the quick charger that you're talking about right here. C-port, of course. I'm a big fan of C-port charging cable. A lot more cables are going like this now, so don't be caught out there without a C-port. If you have a C-port phone, get a backup one if you need one. This is the plug-in. Comes with a pair of headphones. Now these ain't the ones that you'll see in the flagship phones in the S series and stuff like that when it came to the AKGs. This is more of a regular run-of-the-mill cheap headphones that I'm definitely not going to use. So there you go. All right. Also comes with a SIM popper right here, which I'm going to use. Now I'm going to use my phone, this brand with AT&T, as T-Mobile is not good up here for me. So when it comes time for me to pop in the SIM, I'm going to use that right there, okay? So let's take the phone out, and I'll tell you a little bit more so you can see it. Now I went with the black one, the all black one. I was trying to get my hands on the red one, but there's no way I could find it for a desirable price. Actually, I couldn't find it at all. It was out of stock in a lot of places I looked. Alright, awesome. So it's black on black. The back, nice. So now this is not metal. This is more like a excuse me, it's not glass. This is more of I think they call it glass stick, where it almost looks like glass but it's still plastic. And it looks like a fingerprint magnet, so I went ahead and purchased right off the bat nice case for it, which is more of a leather case for it. This also fits the A30, but it should fit nicely on this A20 right here. This is the screen right here, and I'm actually going to turn it on because this is an infinity screen almost. Go ahead and turn it on. That's the front screen right there. Now this might take a few minutes. I just want to see the display a little bit. We might not get to the main screen, but I just want to see how it looks once it come on. Samsung logo right here. While it's doing that, I'm going to take the case out, but because this is going to be a fingerprint magnet right here. Alright, let's leave that right there. And it's in different language, of course, because it's an international phone. Looks like it's Latin. I'm going to go ahead and show you the case too. Pretty nice case, pretty sturdy. I'm going to go ahead and get the phone in there. Comes with Gorilla Glass right here to avoid scratches and stuff like that. So I'll put that on after too. Alright. Let's see. So I'm not going to go ahead with the setup because, like I said, I'm going to set this up with AT&T. But I just want you to see how the screen looks with the phone on. And it looks pretty healthy. It looks like a nice Samsung. So when it comes time for me to do a review, you'll hear back from me, and look forward to that video. This was just a quick unboxing of the Samsung A20. just helping you make a consumer decision, help you make that decision that you probably on the fence about. So once again, I'm Devereaux Davis. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe. Leave a message if you need to. But like, subscribe, and tell a friend. Peace.